My grandpa told a story about how great-grandpa was a soybean farmer for Henry Ford. Henry was intrigued with the way that his work ethic, and offered him a position within Ford Motor Company. My name is Gary Brabant, and I am a fourth-generation Ford Motor Company employee. Right now at Ford Motor Company, we're 5 generations deep. First generation would have been my great-grandfather, who hired in 1918 at the whopping pay of 43 cents an hour. In the time that I've been there, we've moved away from an assembly line that's on a chain drive system to now where everything's automated. You've got basically a small little go-kart with the part on it, and it drives itself through the plant.
My name is Alicia. I am Ford Rawsonville's machine repair apprentice. My dad used to work for Ford. My son also works at Ford Motor Company. He works at the Bronco plant, which is Michigan Assembly. He actually made the car that I'm currently driving. Rawsonville is a components plant. We make the F-150 Lightning battery, all of the hybrid batteries, the robots, the arms, a little bit of hydraulics. I fix all of those things.
Almost every station has a camera, and the camera is to verify the operators are putting the parts in where they're supposed to be.
There are barcodes that's actually imprinted on the components that we work here. And if it's distorted in any type of way, the machine will not finish the part. So that helps with the quality. Quality is important at Ford Motor Company because we want everybody to be safe.
Today at Rawsonville, Jim Farley showed up.
I came here because I want to visit every one of our North American facilities. They're showing me how they're bringing to life our new execution of the quality operating system. Hey there, nice to meet you. Hey Gary, nice to meet you.
He wanted to know what things he could do to help, what he could do to help our plant.
Well, thank you for everything you do for the company. It was really nice to meet you. And most of all, thank you for what you do for the employees who work here and our teammates.
You know, we're the little plant that can. Early March of 2020, COVID-19 was real, state-ordered shutdown.
We started making ventilators, and I came back to work to help save the world, because that's what they asked us to do.
They had us build 55,000 ventilators in 3 months, and we'd never built a ventilator before ever. After COVID, I think Ford realized that Rawsonville, Local 898, is very capable at a moment's notice to switch gears and do whatever Ford needs us to do. All sorts of old information. My first day hiring in, Dad told me, he says, I've built a good name for myself, don't you ruin it.
I remember that. I remember him saying that. They made me proud.
The amount of hands that it took to build that vehicle, the number of peoples that it's passed through, every vehicle that you touch, you're part of. You've left your imprint on that. That's part of me.